Good morning, everyone. This is Srikant, Rajan. Welcome to the Stock Market Podcast from mpiinvest.com, the only platform where you learn to invest and trade in the stock market, plan your financial goals, invest with right knowledge, and also grow with a community of knowledgeable investors. If you're not a part of the community yet, visit our website mpiinvest.com to join the community free of cost. Coming to the market yesterday, the Nifty opened at 16,225, but could not sustain those levels. In fact, it did go well till about 12 o'clock, but from there we could see the huge fall, and the market actually closed low at 16,125. In between, it did touch a low of 16,078. The major problem is, of course, the tech stock sell-off in the US, which is same thing happening in India. In fact, we could see huge selling in Tech Mahindra, Infosys, TCS yesterday, and that is what led to the fall. In fact, FIS have sold for 2,393 crores, while DIIs buy for 1,948 crores. The IT sector is looking weak as of now. However, it is a great investment period right now for the IT sector, because the kind of valuations that we see for major IT sector companies like HCL, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, all these are like at a very attractive price. And I would say, I am just going all in all SIP mode, investing into all these great stocks. Yesterday, we could see the Nifty being supported by the HDFC twins after a long time, because HDFC twins have been the major focus of selling by the FIIs. Of course, their holding in HDFC have actually reduced with so much selling that they have done over a period of time. But still, we could see HDFC kind of recovering from there. If you look at the US market yesterday, after Indian market closed, I had told you in the evening podcast that the Dow and Nasdaq as well as S&P 500 was trading downwards yesterday. But something really interesting happened. Dow Jones actually had a sudden rise after almost 1.6% fall, and finally closed in the green, up by 0.2%. So that's something really good to look forward to. S&P 500 was slightly closed downwards, about down by 0.8%. But the major sell-off happened in Nasdaq, which was down by almost 2.4%. The major sell-off, in Nasdaq was probably because the Snapchat CEO actually came out and said that they are going to miss their quarterly target revenue miss. So that's something kind of gave jitters to people, and people started dumping the IT and tech stocks, and that's exactly why we could see major tech stocks down yesterday. In fact, Meta platform, which is a parent company of Facebook, was also down by 7.6%. Google, the parent company Alphabet, was also down by 5%. But Snapchat shares was down 43% in a single day. Imagine. So that's the kind of fall that's happening in US right now, right? So if you see, Netflix has almost corrected 69% from the top. Amazon is down by 35% from the top. So with all this, I actually say this is a great time to start investing in the US market, because at these prices, the valuations of these companies are really good. And that's exactly why I have already started investing in the US market directly through our MPA community itself. So those who are interested, of course, there are a few members already joining me. Those who are interested to start investing directly in the US market can directly connect with me. You can start investing with as low as just 1,000 rupees a month. So that's the kind of investment that you can start doing and could actually reap really good benefits when the market rises in the US, which of course is expected soon. Apart from that, we could see some good news coming in from Singapore, where the quarterly GDP data has come. It has touched 3.7%, which was matching the forecast. So this can be seen as a positive. And the good thing is, after the US market sold off so much in the last evening trade, the futures are right now in the green. I will talk about it a little later. But of course, the bad news for us is the crude oil prices are continuing to go up as the demand is going up, and especially with China reopening, the demand for fuel is going to go up, and that is going to increase the prices as well. As of now, crude oil stands at $114 a barrel. Coming to some stock specific news, there is good news for Indian hotels. In fact, we are one of the good investors there, right? So it has reappointed Mr. Puneet Chatwal as MD and CEO for next 5 years. So that's a great news, as the company has been driven really strongly by this person, and we can expect a continual growth in the segment. In fact, it was surprising how Indian hotels reported some good profit this year compared to losses that they had last year. Apart from that, Muthoot Finance is also announcing, bond issue. They are trying to raise about 300 crores. So you see, Muthoot Finance has not been doing good in terms of the results also. However, this is probably their attempt to come back to some positivity in the market. Apart from that, looking at some major results that came up yesterday, eClerx, yet another good company, has actually come out with the results, and their profit actually has come out at 118 crores in Q4, which is really good. So we could also see eClerx actually going up by almost 8% yesterday, but then with the sell-off it did come down, but it's still a great company to be invested in. Apart from that, a new stock that has come into our radar is Aster DM Healthcare. In fact, they have seen a net profit surge, twofold net profit surge, and touched 246 crores. So that's something really good. So this is a new stock in our radar. I would of course be sharing in the community when I buy the same. Apart from that, we could also see Bank of India results coming in. In fact, they have reported 142% jump in net profit, touching 606 crores for the quarter ending March 22. Coming to some major results coming up today, it is Apollo Hospitals, then Coal India, Bharat Petroleum, Indigo, and Torrent Pharma. So these are some of the major companies which will be reporting the results today. Let us look at them in the evening market podcast. So as we speak about this, I'm just looking at the global market right now, and as I see, Hong Kong is already kind of in the slight positive, up by 0.01%. Korea is up by 0.64%. We could also see Shanghai up by 0.15%. Japan is kind of slightly down 0.05%. But apart from that, if you look at SGX Nifty, it's actually hinting a slightly gap up opening. In fact, I see SGX Nifty close to 16,150. So it is slightly better than what we had closed yesterday, where Nifty had closed at 16,125. So about 25 points upwards is also good. But like I've been telling you, of late, the Nifty opening is not having any connection with SGX Nifty. So probably we could see a slightly higher opening today. However, since tomorrow is the expiry, the monthly expiry, I am sure today is going to be very, very volatile. So we could see big movements in the market, and we have taken some very good safe trades in the gold and silver club, and that is what is going to give us some great profits in the next 2 days. So I'm sure all of us are sitting with good profits already. If you are also with one of those members who are sitting with some good profit, do comment yes in the comment box below this. So with that, this is Srikant Rajan signing off. But do remember to press the like button and share this with your friends to help them learn and invest together with us. This is Srikant Rajan signing off. Until we catch up in the evening market podcast, goodbye. Have a great day.